Welcome back to Tech Minded, where we help you get more from tech. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cool green screen just like the one behind me with only $4. I've got this little home studio here that I usually film in. This is the same room that I'm always filming in, but I really wanted to add a green screen to it so I could add some effects behind me so it didn't look like a kid's room that I'm filming in. So I went to Walmart and was looking around at fabric so I could make my own green screen because the prices online were just too high. I checked Amazon and eBay and all that, and I wasn't happy with any of the results. So I went to Walmart and I found some felt in the fabric aisle, but its prices were too high, and there were several other options, but you had to get them cut by the yard, and that's not what I wanted. But at the end of that aisle, I was able to find some pre-cut fabric that was perfect. And this is what I came up with. It's a 2-yard roll of fabric, came packaged just like this for $4. It's 2 yards, poly cotton, whatever that means, 72 inches by 44 inches. So it's already pre-cut to roughly the size that I was gonna get anyways. It was only $4. And when I measured out the original cost, it was gonna be at least $6 to $8, which is not a big deal, but it's a savings. And to hang it on the wall, I chose to get these little Command Velcro strips. They hold 16 pounds, and they use double stick tape, of course. I'm sure everybody's seen these by now. But this gives me the ability to hang them on the wall and then remove the screen whenever I want to use the room for other things. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to install these, and then we're going to make a few clips using it to show you why you need a green screen. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and unroll this cloth so we can see where we need to place our command strips. And the good thing about it being pre-cut already is that the ends are not frayed. I don't know if that's a big deal to you, but it should last a little longer this way because none of the ends are left open so it won't unravel. All right, now you need to decide whether you want to hang it horizontally or vertically. I'm going to do it vertically just for demonstration purposes here. And because that's how I'm going to use it. I got this handy EDC pry bar keychain that I made. And I'm going to use that to mark the spots on the wall. So you can check out that video right there in the info card. Straight? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, now I have my spots marked off. I'm going to open the command strips and hang those up.
Command my strips. Like, never mind.
I couldn't get it open.
You use your handy dandy thing you made.
It's in my pocket. All right, so these command strips, I don't know if you can tell. I don't know if you can see it, but these command strips are really, they're Velcro, but it's not really the same Velcro you're used to. It's instead of one fuzzy side and one plastic side, they're both plastic, and they make a stronger connection. So that's why we're going to use them. Just going to take 2 of these, tear them apart, and then put them where I marked on the wall. They don't have to be perfect. It's a green screen. Now once you have those stuck to the wall, you need to get your green screen and take those top corners and stick your command strips to the top corners as well. If you want to, for an additional bit of security, you could use something to sew through these to sew them into the fabric. It's not really necessary, but if you want to feel a little better about it, you can do that. They have these nice little tabs, which I probably should have put at the top, that'll let you pull it off to take the, to disconnect the Velcro, I guess. Now I've got the command strip stuck securely into the fabric, and we're just going to stick it on the wall. You can hear the Velcro making a really good connection. And now we have a green screen. What can we do with a green screen? I'm about to show you. So you can use a green screen to create all kinds of different effects. Basically, you can cut yourself out and overlay you onto whatever background you want, if that makes sense. So the green screen, you can key out the green screen in your footage, and it allows you to swap your backgrounds with any different scene from a video or a photo. These are really great for video, of course, but if you're using it for photography, that'll work as well. It makes it really easy when you go to do your work in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you out at all, leave a like down below. And feel free to comment if you have any ideas for my future videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my next uploads, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.